So Amazon's been shipping packages in these paper bags now, which is like a padded paper bag. But let me tell you, if you live down south and you have a problem with mud wasps, don't throw these away. Now, you may have seen these wasp nests before. This is what I'm talking about. This is the dirt dauber nest or the mud wasp. And they stick these things everywhere. They love to get inside equipment. They get into everything that's got a nice attaching point, and they just weld their muddy little nest right on the side of that. So if you're trying to get rid of these things, then these bags come in pretty handy to be a decoy or a deterrent to scare them away and keep these things out of your house. So here's what I'm talking about. You can shape it so that it looks like a wasp nest, meaning like a paper wasp that sting and that eat other bugs and that they're aggressive. And the mud wasps, or the dirt daubers as they call them, they don't like being around those. So I hung a couple of these up in my garage, and lo and behold, I think it's working. I'm not certain, but it feels to me like I've got fewer of those dirt daubers bringing mud into my house and building those nests. So hey, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up. That'll help other people find it as well. And as always, have a great day.